Hello and welcome. This is how to assemble your Virtual Boy V2 tripod kit. So first, the kit will arrive partially assembled from us. Red base is assembled to the point where you're ready to start doing it. You don't need to touch the screws on the bottom, but you will need to remove the black screw with a flathead screwdriver. Just take the screw out and put it to the side for a second. Notice on the base that there is inscriptions for A and B. That corresponds to markings on the bottom of the black arms. So we're going to start with the A side, and all you have to do is put A on the A and then screw it down with the screw that we just took out. Once you start feeling resistance on the screw, you can stop, and it's about a 45-degree angle. Go too far and the screw may strip, but it's okay. If it does stop working or stripping, you can replace this with a 1032 screw. Next is B side. B side's a little different. This is what actually opens and closes the unit. It's done through this winged nut as bolts, as well as this washer here. It comes with the washer pre-assembled, but if it falls out, just put it back in place. And for the wing nut, all you have to do is screw it into the back, and it is screwed. The inside of this is threaded, so it won't come out backwards. And you just keep screwing all the way until it clicks, or it starts to spin freely. Once it starts spinning freely, all you have to do back on the main unit is screw it in again. Screw, and screw until it starts giving you resistance, and that's it. That's your kit fully assembled. Now to attach it to your Virtual Boy, all you have to do is unscrew the back of it like so, and it will loosen and the front will come off. I recommend pointing the bolt away from the nose if you'd like, and you just clamp it down like this, and once it's in position you just tighten it up a little bit until it holds. This is capable of holding the full weight of the Virtual Boy without issue. You can attach it to any form of tripod like this one, and all you need to do that is just screw it in. And you're good to go. On a note, if you're using a camera tripod, the guiding hole is for that.